food for life. Actually, in India, Shaivism and organic vegetarian food are synonymous. That is why we call organic vegetarian food as Shaiva food. In Tamil, it is called Saiva Sappadu, Saiva Unavu. Organic vegetarian food is named as Shaivite food. What is the connection between food and Shiva? Why it is called Shaivite food? Because Mahadeva insists in his vision, agamas, importance of what you eat. Organic vegetarian food, food for life. Unfortunately, whatever damage you have already done to your body, cleansing your body is needed. That is why I am making the Aushadha. All Aushadha is nothing but cleaning the damage you have done to your body, repairing the damage you have done to your body already. Aushadha clears the parasites you built in your system due to non-organic, unnatural food. You don't know the amount of plastic goes inside your body. The amount of poison fed into your system. And how your ability, the brain's capability is drastically brought down. Every day you are beaten and made to sleep. Understand? The kind of a tiredness invoked in your body, the boredom invoked in your mind is just because of the food. Nothing need to be done. Just come and live in Adi Kailasha for 1 month and eat this food. You will see how many diseases are healed. How your stomach blesses you. And I want to tell you, still we have not even become 100% organic. We are struggling because 10% of the items we are supposed to consume in Bhagasha as per the Mahadeva's instruction is no more available in organic form. Mahadeva gives a list, menu. 10% of the items in that menu is no more available organic on the planet Earth. We have to start growing them. Nothing wrong to put your time and energy a little bit and grow what you need to eat. That is the real luxury. Real luxury is not having black Mercedes Benz, white BMW. It is having black organic pepper when you need and white salt organic what you need. That's the real luxury. You may want to have a black Benz and white Mercedes, white BMW because neighbor has it. If you get Benz and BMW because neighbor has it, it is luxury for him, not for you. If you get your black pepper and white salt properly, which you need, that is luxury for you. Getting what you need is luxury for you. Not because somebody else getting it for you is not luxury for you. It's a load for you and luxury for him. He will be laughing because he bought it. Mahadeva very clearly defines aparigraha. The lifestyle which reclaims your ability to live off the grid with nature is aparigraha. Aparigraha means reclaiming your freedom to live with the nature, an ability to say no to the grid is aparigraha. Once you are hooked to the grid, over. Get paid to pay the bills. Work to get paid, and get paid to pay the bills. Work to get paid. By the time you open your eyes, you are dead. You are dead. And somebody else has taken your job. If you come back after 48 hours, your wife may not want you. She's settled already. Your kids will say, oh God, once more I have to send flower bouquet for next Father's Day again. And a card. I thought now it is all done. And your boss may say, no, I have already given a job to next person. You please look for a job somewhere else. Luxuries, having the lifestyle to have superconscious breakthrough. I'll provide the ultimate luxury in Adi Kailasa. Everything you need for a conscious breakthrough. Understand, even the world's richest people don't get every day morning 2 hours of their time to take care of their health and their body and mind. You guys get it. So you are the most luxurious, richest people. No rich man in the world consistently gets morning 2 hours of his time for himself to take care of his health, body and mind and consciousness. You are getting it. Means you are richer than, you are living a luxurious life than any richest person in the world. In Kailasa, the luxury you need for conscious breakthrough is provided. From the angle of the conscious breakthrough, superconscious breakthrough, Kailasa is the most luxurious lifestyle. Even this dress, it's nothing but settling your body beautifully, slowly, with the natural existence. Your breathing, your digestion, the inner fire, everything. Aushadha is only to clean your inner space, clean your body and mind, initiate the fire of Mahasadashiva in you. This Mahasadashiva Aushadha which is prepared on the eclipse day. All the MSS participants and Inner Awakening participants are going to receive. I'll be sending the Aushadha. You need to do 2 things. Apply it on both the temple and third eye. Below the navel, on your swadhisthana. It will do three things to you. One, clean all the parasites from your system. Second, expand your body and brain to hold the space of Mahasadashiva. Third, will heavily, intensely open up and awaken the fire of Mahasadashiva so you can manifest powers. But before that, now, just few minutes, sit straight. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible and as deeply as possible. Chant the Mahavagya inside, means not chanting but humming. Hum the Mahavagya inside you. Hum the Mahavagya inside you intensely. Bring yourself to oneness with Mahasadashiva. Declare your oneness with Mahasadashiva and hum the Mahavagya intensely, very intensely. Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Do it intensely. Om Nityananda Maha Sada Shivoham. Relax. You can open your eyes. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.